Yo, what up YouTubers, it's your boy Altered Tech, back again with a new freaking video, and today we have the Galaxy A10e, which I regret buying. Now here we do have a case for it and a tempered glass screen protector. Now I got this for free on T-Mobile for porting over a line, and the thing about this phone is that I had another choice. I had the T-Mobile Revel and the Moto G7 Power. Now if I could go back in time, I would choose the Moto G7 Power because number one, you're getting a bigger battery. It seems to be, to me, a lot faster than the Galaxy A10e. My expectations was pretty high. I know this is a free phone. Let me just go ahead and just unlock this. Now, one of the couple things I do like about the phone, let me just go over that real quick. Number one, okay, you do have face unlock. It works pretty good. It's not great, but it works good. Number two, you have a great display. You have a 720p display, and the colors, everything looks pretty damn good. Now on the back, like I said in my earlier videos, it's a nice blue color. It looks like it's glass, but it's actually plastic. You do have your rear camera and your selfie camera up front, and the cameras, I don't want to say that they suck, but they're not that good. It doesn't take forever to charge up. The battery life has been a little bit better than I anticipated. I have no issues getting through a full entire day, but come on, the Moto G7 Power, you could get about 3 days of use with that, just one charge. It makes me feel like I'm going back in time to in 2015 with those Samsung devices where it will lag from here, from time to time, especially when you have this phone just laying down. When you would just pick it up after a few hours not using it, it's just like it takes a while for it to actually wake up. And I did have to disable Bixby Home because every time you swipe, Bixby takes a couple seconds to load everything. So let's say you put your phone down, you turned it back on, you unlocked it, you swipe to your left, Bixby has to load up each and every time. So since I've disabled that, it's been working a lot more smoother. But this does have just 2 GB of RAM, and you're just limited to what you could do. But anyways, let's go ahead and pimp out this phone. Now this case, it was just about $5 on Amazon, pretty cheap, right? This kind of reminds me of that that lime Apple Watch, the Nike edition. Okay, so this is a 2-piece case. You have a hard green plastic, and on the back you do have this softish rubberized plastic. So let me just go ahead and fit this in, see how it fits. Now on the website, it says that this could actually fit the A10e and the A20. So this is why you actually have a cutout on the back here. That's for that fingerprint sensor on the A20, which is not available on this. So overall, it does feel a lot more sturdier with this case on. The buttons feel nice and clicky. For $5, you can't go wrong. This is actually a nice case. Okay, not bad. For what you pay for, this is definitely not bad. And the lip protection. Now this is a flat display, so you're not going to have any issues with curved displays. Having to worry about side protection. This actually pretty much covers the entire phone, so you should be good with this case. I mean, it's looking pretty good, people. No issues whatsoever. So let me just go ahead and check out the tempered glass screen protector. Now for some reason on Amazon with the tempered glass screen protectors, there's a ton of phony companies pushing their products with like 100 fake reviews, and as a buyer it's becoming very, very difficult to find a right tempered glass screen protector. I mean, these people are saying their purchase is verified, and yet we still have an influx of fake reviews. All you gotta do is clean off the glass and stick it where it needs to be stick. Your wet wipes and your microfiber cloth. So let's go ahead and try this real quick. Okay, right now there's a few tiny bubbles up on the corner over here. I'm not exactly sure if you guys could see that right over here up in the corner. So I'll give it maybe like 24 hours and I'll see if the bubbles actually disappear. Hopefully they do. And there seems to be a gap of air on the edges. So it is what it is. I mean, nowadays it's very, very hard to get a good tempered glass screen protector. So let's go ahead and fit this inside the case and see how it looks like. All right, cool. So you got your tempered glass screen protector and you got your case, all for about $11 on Amazon.com. I'll post a link in the description. All right, guys. So while we have this phone here, I might as well just go ahead and just show you guys, give you guys a tour of this phone and give you guys my thoughts, because this is probably going to be the last time I actually do a video on this phone. There's nothing really special about it. It's pretty much just a backup phone. Is it a trap phone? Is it a good budget phone for you to use, like, 24/7? Not really, because let me just unlock this. The more apps you use, and this only has 2 gigabytes of RAM, and if you do have some things that's running in the background, like Facebook and stuff, this phone is not going to be able to handle it too well. For example, I woke up this morning, I turned it on, and it was just lagging. It took about 20 seconds to unfreeze. Now the battery was at about 10%, and maybe that was a reason. Maybe it was like in a deep sleep mode because it was trying to conserve the battery, whatever it was. But I've never had a phone lag for 20 seconds like this since my Nexus 6P, or my like a budget device from 2015. So like I've said, if you do have the option, get the Moto G7 Power. So let's go ahead and look at the settings real quick. You have your connections, sound, notifications. As for the display, you do have an outdoor mode, so if you're outside, this does get super bright, and after 50 minutes it will automatically turn off. You do have a night mode, which I do have turned on. I didn't expect to see this, so this is a nice touch. You could control the font size and the style, like so. I'll keep it like this. So if you know someone who has poor eyesight, looking for like a cheap phone, this is an option. And what else? You could change the navigation bar. You could actually use full gestures. I'm not a big fan of. And you have navigation buttons, which I'm using right now. And you could actually change the order of the buttons from back to home and the task menu button, whatever it's called. So what else we got? Wallpapers and themes. You can change your wallpapers from the Samsung theme store. Let me see what else. For the lock screen. So for the lock screen, let me see. You can unlock your phone using your face, and it's using that selfie camera. So there's no like 3D technology, facial scanner. It's just a camera. And if you find that this camera takes forever to unlock, using your face, there is an option. Let me just show you guys that real quick. Go down to the biometrics, tap on face recognition, enter your PIN real quick, and here you see an option. It's called faster recognition. See if you guys can see that. So it improves the speed, but it reduces the security. So it increases the possibility that a video or a photo might be used to unlock the device. So that's that. Now we do have the June 1st security update, and we are in August going into September, and this is running Android Pie. Let's see what else we got. Advanced features. Let's see what they got. So we have direct share. Okay, reduced animations. It's been very frustrating. So this is actually why I'm making this video, because there's been so many YouTubers, posting videos talking about how this phone is so great, and talking about the benchmarks, the high benchmarks, how it's able to play all these cool games, and in real life situations, it's just not an enjoyable experience. So let me see what else. Advanced features. Let me go ahead and turn back on the reduced animations. So what else we got? We have a gaming mode. Basically what it does is, let's see, it's a game launcher, so it launches all your games. Motions and gestures, keep the screen on while you're looking at it, things like that. This stuff has been around for ages. That's pretty much it. That's all the cool features about this phone. Like I said, the speakers are pretty good for the price. The display is really damn good. But to me, I'm more of a person who I prefer a device that performs well. That's why I'm a big OnePlus 7 fan. The device, it works pretty damn good. Basically no lag. This is a free phone, but you do have options, like I said, the Moto G7 Power. Anyways, people, this is Altered Tech with the Samsung A10e. If you have any questions or comments, please hit me down below. This is Altered Tech signing out. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.